Okay, we are live. Okay, so we have taken sell side indicated by these two red lines, and we have very smooth equal highs here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 even. They're just too smooth. People are going to be comfortable putting their stop loss orders here. And we've just taken two sell sides. 1 and 2. And this is a 15-minute FVG, which is this candle. So right here, we only delivered buy side, one straight push. And we filled consequent encroachment last Friday, and we've just come down to fill in the rest of it pretty much. Now on the 15-minute chart, this candle closed near the high, and this candle opened with a volume imbalance. Look at that. Absolutely perfect volume imbalance. So Like that. So we've got that volume imbalance that opens right on the top of that fair value gap on the 15-minute. We've still got another 10 minutes until this 15-minute closes. So I think I'll wait until that's done to see where we close. But now that we've taken these lows, I'm expecting a change in the state of delivery to sweep these highs. So for now, just got to be patient for another 10 minutes. One of the main problems that I deal with in trading sometimes is watching the markets and not being in the trade or not participating. So like this drop here from the 9:30 open, New York open at 9:30 here, and then we move up, we take buy side quite clearly. So right here, get swept by these highs. Anybody that had stop loss orders there were taken out of the market, and then the market falls to start taking out these lows here and all the way back here where there's orders residing. So they've just been swept. So now what I want to see is a market structure shift, and for me I would want to see it go above this high. That's that volume imbalance. Okay. So that's that volume imbalance. Let's do a different color. Oh, that's text. Change this to yellow. Oh, that's not really visible, is it? Let's do green. Oh, that's fine. Right, so we're looking for that volume imbalance to support price later on, and shifting market structure above that high, along with the fair value gap. We might not see anything we can take a trade on, to be honest. So look, the market's just plummeting. So we could be going for this low actually. Okay. All right, since we pushed through that 15 minutes so aggressively, I think this could turn into an inversion. So if we use that, let's see how much risk we have. 693 to 722. freeze that. Institutional order flow. No, that's too much risk. So this fair value gap's over 20 handles. So if I wanted to get like a, let's say I put a sell limit. Yeah, so if I put a sell limit here, it's too much risk because I'd have to put my stop loss up here. I would like it tighter than that. 20 handles is my maximum risk. Yeah, I got my biggest fans. Oh shit. Check. No. Just close a dockable window. Let's show it in docs menu and menu bar. Oh, chat. This is unfortunate. 2-3 minutes. Yeah, look at all that movement. That's over 798. That's over like 150 points, 150 handles, which is a lot of money. So that would be what, maybe $2,000 on one contract from this high to that low. Consequent encouragement here, I don't know, 86 to 706, I guess. Market structure shift. That was taken already. Just remove all the noise from the chart. Oh, oh. What am I doing? Let me see. Okay. I'm still interested in the short. We missed the move, but that's alright. I started the stream around 10, so by that time it was already around this level by the time I started the stream. I should have seen how it was respecting this 15-minute fair value gap at the top here and then rejecting, but it's not clear enough. It's too risky. If I put a short in, I'm trying to think of where I might have been able to short. Probably at this new week opening gap below, and then put my stop loss, I guess, from this low 703, 20 handles above to 20, yeah, 23. So that could have been a short here, but there wasn't enough confirmation for me to try that confidently. So we've got this new week opening gap here where it's just resting on, the bodies are respecting it. So if we see, depending on how this goes above these highs, if it's aggressive, I might look for this to invert and then provide support going higher. Other than that, I want consequent encroachment and push lower into this sell side liquidity down here. That's 19,591. Other than that, I've got to keep my hands off, otherwise I'll damage myself. Oh, let's see if I can get audio here. Audio input capture. Oh no. What did I do? Oh no. What's going on? Oh, okay, there we go. Hmm. Let's see if I can. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oops. Wait. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oops. Oh. Okay, so let's see. On my first video, on my first video where we did the analysis, the weekly analysis, I said that we closed below consequent encroachment, and I would expect to maybe sweep this high, this high, no, this high, and maybe this high, and then start heading lower. Instead, we just took this high, went lower, then purged that high again, went lower again. So, oh, there's a new day opening gap here as well, which is a nice trend line. No, not trend line. Horizontal. Okay. New day opening gap. So this was a stronger draw on liquidity. Let me draw on price. It's a new day opening gap inside of a new week opening gap. That 15-minute turned into an inversion, but we just haven't been offered an opportunity to get in, even though we've moved a beautiful 200 handles, which is like, how much is it? That's like 10 times, it's like 4,000 on one contract. That's annoying. Okay. See the bodies respecting the new day opening gap, going higher. Now it's, so let's see what it does. We shall see. Ay. Being disciplined is tough when it comes to trading because there's so many opportunities to make 20 handles, which is 400 on one contract. So from this high, 49 down to 29, just this little movement. From here to here. So literally, that amount of movement in price is $400 on one contract. Now look how many times the market has offered 20. And I haven't caught anything. That's because I have a model. And I've got to follow it. This shit's like watching paint dry, bro. Okay. We're back inside the new day opening gap. We just touched the new week opening gap low. And what's going to happen now? I think we go for the sell side. Unfortunately, we didn't go back into this new week. We didn't go into this 1 minute fair value gap where I would have put a trade to go short. But we got to the new week opening gap and you did get opening gap first. So if we go back up to this 1 minute fair value gap, I probably won't enter as it enters the fair value gap, but wait for another break lower. Ooh, there it is, sell side. Go on, I know you want to take it. There it is. Just like that, it's magic. You know, don't you believe it's not so? It's magic. Don't you believe it's not so? Alright, next sell side is 19,541. If it wants to extend further, normally what happens after it takes a major sell side liquidity is you'll see a sharp move back up, but we've closed below with pretty much no wick whatsoever. So that tells me it's got a lot of momentum on the downside. And let's see. Daily opening gap. Oh shit. Oh shit. new day opening gap. And then sell side. What? Oh shit. Would you look at that? We're going for sell side again. What are we on? What was that? 42. 42 and then 25. Can I find 20 handles? I would love to. Is it worth the risk? Maybe if we go into this new day opening gap. Yeah, I'll do one contract in there. Actually, this is not good. This is where, look at all that. There's so much money you can make right here. So much money. And the hardest thing is to sit here and watch it fly by, especially because I'm live streaming as well. I have a place to trade. Ugh, look. Okay, I'm going to try to frame a super low risk sell. So that consequent encroachment of the wick and consequent encroachment of the new day opening gap. So let's put it at, I'll put the sell here, sell limit, and then buy stop. Okay, so we've got that framed out, and then we'll put our take profits. What is that? Oh, that's enough. I only need like 20 by limit. Oh well, I have to put my take profit after I get tripped into the trade. Oh, there we go. Just close that. It's okay, it's okay. No money made, no money lost. Oh, there's an Excel side. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely, oh, there we go. What? That's some bullshit. I definitely felt like I should chase that price action because it's so juicy, like, and it's so well. Obviously, it's hindsight now, but hold on. Yeah, like, oh, that is so annoying. So on the 1 minute, we've respected the 15-minute high, but we've also respected the consequent encroachment, which is why that didn't really stand out to me so much. If we'd closed below consequent encroachment, then went back up, started respect to the top, came down with a FVG, which we did provide, but nothing went back up into that to provide me an opportunity to go short. And same thing down here, we had another FVG, strong close on the candle with no wick and no opportunity to go short. Straight into all the targets from here, inverted to 15, never touched it again. Created a FVG, never touched that again. So annoying. Hit all the targets and I didn't get involved. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It doesn't matter. At least I know where the market was going. What targets it was looking for, and all those targets have been smashed. There's the equal lows I spoke about on Sunday. Lovely stuff, mate. It's the weekly FVG. Oh. Uh, Okay, so what's the time now? Started at 10. Okay, so we started the stream at 10. Let's see. Where is it? Okay, so we started the stream at 10. So look, 10 to 10:40. It moved from 719 to 519. That's $4,000 that we didn't pick up. It was on the table here. Other than that, we didn't get offered the opportunity to get in. So from 519. Alright. I don't want to chase price anymore. Like from the morning, from the open, so 8:47 down to 5:20. Like it's already moved for like 300 handles, and I could enter a retracement trade, but it's just not worth it. Like it's just gonna be ugly now. So I think I'm just gonna end it there. No money made, no money lost. Here's what it is. So break even day, we count it as a win. Can't make money every day, and we try not to lose money any day. I won't be live. I won't be live again probably until next week, Monday, but I probably will still be trading because we've got loads of opportunities still to come and fill in this FVG. Yeah, this one. It's 4 hour. And we're going to pay attention to how it trades through that. If it goes fast or if we go back up for these highs. If we do go back up for these highs, then yeah, we just have to conduct ourselves accordingly. So on the hourly chart, we've got 12 minutes left on the hour. So I guess we can wait to see how that closes because I do want to see the hourly. If it closes below these lows, then it's very likely we're going to go into this sell side liquidity here. But I'm glad. I'm happy that with my analysis that I did yesterday, my analysis was spot on pretty much. The way I pointed out how we closed inside this 4-hour fair value gap, and then how on the opening on Monday we'll see how it treats it, and we're likely to go lower and attack these equal lows which I had highlighted on the weekly analysis video. We highlighted these equal lows and just came down to attack it beautifully. I just couldn't find my way into a trade or justify myself placing a trade and risking money to get there, even though it did, which is probably the most annoying thing in trading for me, which is being correct but not being able to capitalize on the knowledge and capitalize on being correct. Which is annoying because the next time you go to trade, you might think to yourself, okay, I was perfect in my analysis last time, so why not just place a trade and force yourself into a position that hasn't been justified by your method or by your strategy, and you just convince yourself to go into a trade, assuming you're going to be correct again, and you get shit on by the market. So I'm glad I didn't do that, even though we would have made a lot of money. But again, I'm not here to gamble. I'm here to make money long term and change my life. So yeah, this is a demo account. So I've just started with 150 demo money, and we've gone down 300, no, 250, about $250 down. But yeah, I can make that back easily. That's nothing. One trade is $400 risk. So 20 handles, 20 points of movement is where I aim to put my stop loss, which is $400 of risk. So yeah, it's not that much loss. It's basically just one trade. Um, our target for this account balance is 159,000. So I need to make $9,000 of profit, and my maximum drawdown is 146,000. So I have 3,740, approximately 3,700 of risk that I could use to make my target of 9,000. But I'm in it for the long run, so I'm not going to put too much weight into my trades. Yeah, once I pass this demo account evaluation stage, then they'll give me a funded account where I need to make I don't know, but I'll start getting money basically. I'll start getting paid out. The targets change for the funded accounts, but this is just the evaluation stage. So we've got 8 minutes left on the hour. I want to see if it closes below any of these lows. Mainly this one. This is like the more significant low. So we shall see. Six more minutes. Whoa. 5 more minutes. So I'm just looking at how the body's respected this new day opening gap. So we've gone through it, came down, closed exactly on it, opened with a volume imbalance, another volume imbalance, and another volume imbalance. So that's pretty bullish to me. We have inefficiency here and up here that has no buy-side delivery. So the algorithm is going to want to reprice to those areas and offer buy-side efficiently. So I'm going to try a buy here. And my stop loss here. And then we're just going to target 20 handles. So 91.5. Well, for now we don't need to take profit. Alright, so what we've done is reacted off of this volume imbalance. There's 20 handles from this buy limit, but we never got the end, so that's cool to see though. That is cool to see. So we went back above the new day opening gap, body's respecting it, and headed up into this imbalance. Oh, well. We didn't get an opportunity to get into that trade. Closed above. Yeah, unfortunate. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to end the stream here. I'm starving, and yeah, there's nothing much to do here, unfortunately. Okay, well, on the positive side, at least I know how to read price. I can tell where it's drawing to and how it changed at this new day opening gap. And now that the hourly candle is closed, we can see how it's closed above those lows instead of below them. So that indicates to me that we could be going higher. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait. And I should have known, because back when I said there was like 10, 12 minutes left right here, it was closing that hourly candle. So and then that was the market structure shift here. Market structure shift, close above with displacement, comes back down to touch the high, and then closes above the new day opening gap. Next candle closes above, and then we break structure again, and we break again. But I didn't want to enter on this I didn't want to enter on that first volume imbalance because of these wicks. So because the body didn't close above the highs, these volume imbalances tend to draw price into it numerous times until a body closes across those volume imbalances. So I wanted to go for the second one, and it was closer to the new day opening gap as well, where I could put a really super tight stop loss basically. So I put a buy on this volume imbalance, but as you can see, this candle reacted off this volume imbalance, which sent it higher, closing above this high, and then it offers us our 30 handles, which is more than enough. We're only targeting 20. But so be it. Okay. First stream in the books. Thank you for everyone who watched, and I look forward to the next one. The streams are going to be improving as we go on, because this is my first stream. I'm not sure like how to. I can't talk for the whole time I'm trading because I'm just watching charts, or I just don't have stuff to talk about. So we can, yeah. But next time it should be better. Yeah, so we've been live for maybe an hour now.